Hello everyone. Today we will see some introduction part of electrochemistry. There are some definitions which we must clear before going to start the topic electrochemistry. We will see one by one what are the definitions. So first one regarding electrochemistry, that is conductor. We will see what is meant by conductor. It is in simple metal rod or a substance or a material which allows the electric current to flow through it. It is a substance which allows electric current to flow through it, called as a conductor. You have seen in our daily life or in your home the electric wire of electricity which is provided in our house or home. So that is the best example of conductor. That is a simple copper wire which allows the electricity to flow. Now the second definition is non-conductors. So non-conductors are the species which does not allows the electricity to flow through them, are called as non-conductors. So the best example is wood. याचं उत्तम उदाहरण म्हणजे लाकूड, ज्याच्यातनं इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होऊ शकत नाहीत, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो होत नाही, अशा मटेरियलला आपण नॉन कंडक्टर्स असं म्हणतो. Then the third definition is of electrolytes. We will see what is meant by electrolytes. So electrolytes are produced ions either in molten state or in its aqueous state. So these are simply the ions which are present in a molten state or in aqueous state. That are nothing but we say that electrolytes. Now again there are two types of electrolytes. There are two types of the electrolytes. One is strong electrolyte and second one is weak electrolyte. So how we can define strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte? So strong electrolyte is nothing but whenever there is a 100% ionization of any electrolyte, so that electrolyte is called as strong electrolyte. And if there is a no 100% but very less ionization, so that kind of electrolytes are called as weak electrolytes. So the best example for strong electrolytes are all strong acids, strong bases are the best example of strong electrolyte. Maybe HCl, H2SO4, strong base NaOH, KOH. So these are the best example for strong electrolyte. For weak electrolyte, acetic acid, which is a weak acid, so that is the not 100% dissociation of this acetic acid takes place, because of which we say that this is the weak electrolyte. So now This is about the electrolytes. Now we will see the definition for anodes and cathodes. Anodes and cathode. We will see what is meant by anode and cathode. These terms are continuously used in the topic electrochemistry. So now first of all we will define what is meant by anode. Before that, it is necessary to define an electrode. It is a simple rod or a plate. We will firstly define what is meant by electrode, because anode and cathode both are the electrodes. So electrode is a simple metallic rod, or sometime it is a plate which is kept immersed in electrolytic solution. Which is kept immersed, that means which is dipped electrolyte solution. You may consider any electrolyte solution. Suppose in beaker, if you take here copper sulfate solution, and suppose there is a rod, this one is a rod which we have dipped into its copper sulfate solution. Suppose this is made up of copper, so copper rod, and it is connected to the circuit and electric current is flowing through this solution. So this rod is nothing but electrode which acts as a electrode. So either it may be an anode, or sometimes it may be works as a cathode. We have to see when it works as an anode and when it works as a cathode. So now we will define anode. What is meant by anode? It is a electrode where oxidation occurs, and cathode is the electrode where reduction occurs. So in the next lecture we will see the definition for oxidation and reduction. So we will stop here. Thank you.